Azul Fellowan, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dija Thores, and I shall share with you how I make my deliciously good-looking oatmeal cups and how I make my oats in the first place. So I basically pour yogurt, any preference of yogurt, fruity or aromatic. Here I use cereal and honey. The chocolate is pretty optional. Since I was making it with bananas, then chocolate was available and it's a good companion. Now filling it with toasted oatmeals. The quantity varies on my mood. I started these yogurt oat cups this year, and I was a joyful experience. Sometimes I run out of ideas to decorate, but that is okay. Just got to use what is available at home. So first you will need oatmeal, light coconut grate, white sesame, a mixture of grinded nuts, any preference of raisins, olive oil for conservation, now into your bowl. Pour 6 cups of non-cooked oats because we are going to toast it later. Oatmeal have many benefits, such as that it is advised to people with diabetes and that it prevents heart diseases, stomach cancer, and it is gluten-free. Now add 2 spoons of coconut grate, 2 spoons of any mixture of grinded nuts you like. Now also add 2 spoons of white sesame, 2 spoons of olive oil. Basically, olive oil is considerable as a conservative and it is very beneficial to the human body. If it is not available, it can be replaced with coconut oil. So now make sure to mix all the ingredients very well, so that there won't be any balls due to the oil. In a large oven tray, covered with parchment paper so that later you can pour it easily into your jar. Spread the mixture evenly and make sure to not have a thin layer so that it won't burn easily. Now bake in the oven for 20 minutes and stir each 5 minutes so that it doesn't burn. After that, it gains the brownish tone. You can add the raisins while it's hot. That way the raisins will be cooked a little and become chewy. If you cook it with it, it will burn and become bitter. Okay, now that it is ready, store it in glass jars. Now I share with you the different cups I have made and how cool they look. These cups are a joy in the morning, easily to prepare and can be decorated with anything you want or available in the kitchen, from chocolate to fruits, and even can be simply just yogurt and oats. Here I use toasted peanut flakes. I fill half the cup with yogurt and the other with oats. And my favorite thing to go with them is the figs.